So here's how to add donation button on your Twitch channel to accept donations on your live streams. So first you want to head to streamlabs.com and then make sure you're logged in with your Twitch account or your email. Then you want to go to tipping, the tipping section, and then you want to pick one of these two methods, either a personal PayPal account or a business PayPal account, which is recommended for credit cards. So I'm gonna use a personal and then click connect, and that should direct you to your PayPal account to connect it. So you'll simply log into your PayPal account or type your email and select your region and follow the process to link your PayPal account. So you'll simply type the email here and choose your region and then press next and continue the process to link your PayPal. And then it will prompt you to log into your account and link it to the Streamlabs. Now once you finish the process, you should see a link on the top. So under tipping section, you should see a link on the top here. So you can click on it. You can also customize the link. So you can claim a custom domain, but I think that's paid, or you can use your username and then click on save changes. And now you'll simply need to copy this link. So if you go under tipping and then copy that link and put it on your stream. Now when people enter to that, they will be prompted to tip you with a message or something, and they get to choose the amount of money that they want to tip. And you'll simply either put this on your Twitch channel about page. So if you want to go to about page and put it under here, you can also put it on the live chat pinned. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.